Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is a move machine class about pretzels. So Pretzelisation part 6. So what we're looking at this time is taking a normal pretzel and at some point adding a wrap to it and seeing what we get out of it. So you could put wraps in all over the place, as you can with many moves. So the first one we're going to show you looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So that's a pretzel tight wrap. So let's break that down. It goes man's left, lady's right. Normal pretzel to start, offer, left over the lady, right over the lady, and this is where we place the wrap. So we've got to keep the left hand where it is. The right hand dips, goes across to the left. We're bringing the lady back towards us, goes around the lady, over the top and down, which means the lady is now in a pretty tight position on the right hand side. We're actually going to bring the lady's weight back, and in the process her arm is trapped, the one in our left hand, which means we can let go and switch to holding it at the front really quickly to then send the lady forwards into a barrier, across the back, and then it's just a pull back, start the lady walking backwards, release with the right, let the left hand slide all the way down the arm, and we're done. We're step back, we're good to go to another move. Okay, so let's do that to numbers from the other side. So we go offer 1, left over the lady 2, right over the lady 3, into the wrap 4. We can take the next one as a beat, or you can actually cut it out depending on how smooth your action is, but we're going to put the beat in for now. So we're going to send the lady's weight back 5, send her forwards 6, back 7 and catch 8. Let's try that. Here we go. 5, a 6, a pretzel tight wrap. You go, offer, left up, right up, wrap. We go back, forwards, slide and catch. So one pretzel. Another option, give you a chance to wrap the fella instead of the ladies. We'll break it down slow this time. Goes back, left over the lady, right over the lady. This is actually called a Pretzel Man Wrap or Man Wrap catapult. The guy turns, left hand is low, underneath the right, he gets round 1.5 times, wraps the lady around his waist, and then uncrosses the hands to get a catapult ending. And you can do that with a little bit of a walk first, or you can just go straight into the catapult ending. So if I speed that up, it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3. So let's do that. Man's left, lady's right, back and offer, left over the lady, right over the lady. Here's the tricky bit for the fellas. Left hand low, right hand high. We spin to the left or turn rapidly depending on how you look at it. We've got to get all the way around till we get our back to the lady, right hand over our head, left arm across the body, and then it's down and wrap, uncross the hands. I'm going to go straight for the bump here, so I'm holding Karen close enough that I can lead that back and use the hands to help as well. And then it's just catapult ending, in on the left, spin, catch, return and back. So from the other side to numbers, nice and slow so we know where they are. Offer 1, left over the lady 2, right over the lady 3, guys going around 4, wrapping 5, bumping 6, prep 7, spin 8, catch 1, return 2 and back 3. So let's do it. Here we go. 5, a 6, a pretzel man wrap. You go, offer, left, right, guys go round and a wrap, bump, side, spin, catch, return and back. If you find that tricky, you can always have the guy turn slowly with maybe some touch steps, and if you're finding it's still a little bit rushed when you get to the wrap, you can always do a walk before you come out on the spot, just kind of left and right before you bump the lady, and that just takes the pressure off. There are lots and lots of other wraps, so I'll let you play with that and see if you can come up with some different variations. If you do come up with a good one, do tell us about it in the comments. Next time, Pretzels will come up with another idea that will allow you to try out different versions. Thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. We'll see you next time. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.